Alright guys, I'm here with Danny from Rekluse today. What cool things are you going to show us?
Well, with the Rekluse RadiusX automatic clutch, it allows you to start and stop without using the clutch lever. So when I'm sitting here at an idle speed, I can literally just put it in gear without touching the clutch lever. So I just click it into first, and then as I increase the RPMs, it'll move the bike forward smoothly and safely.
Alright, now that's pretty cool. I sure as hell know I'm tired of using my clutch. I gotta get me one of these. Alright guys, and there you have it. We just saw Danny perform a clutchless shift and a one-handed burnout. How cool is that? And the best part of all, you get to find Rekluse's clutch on our lifestyle website, order it, and it comes straight to your door. Whoa, wait! Don't go anywhere until you like and subscribe to make sure you get notified every time we post our how-to videos, our product reviews, and all of our amazing interviews with your favorite racers and industry icons. I'll see you guys next time.